you told me that these are some of the business problems that we had that we might apply some advanced technology to solve them. And you had mentioned a couple to me, but what are the business problems that you had that you said, hey, we should apply, NFTs to them?
So look, I think just to reiterate what I was saying before, our departure point wasn't exactly a problem, right? Our departure point was more what can we understand from this technology, right? Because it would have been really presumptuous of us to really come out with a solution which is using a new technology based on a challenge which we see which we currently have. I think after launching our first project, we're in a better position to talk about and answer that question. But if I have to go back to answer your question, back a year ago, when we were sort of thinking about how to execute this project, really and truly, what we wanted to understand with putting on my hat as marketing is how can we drive additional brand awareness with new audiences out there, right? And how big a community can we generate around a project of this nature, right? Because it all stems from a community that it backs a project and backs a vision, right? So that we can then understand what the technology can do for the customer, but also for the business. Hopefully that answers your question.
That's really good, because what you're telling me is something I tell people all the time is that you have a challenge or you have an opportunity. Let's use those two words, what you just said. And then you have a technology, and it's like, if you go after the technology without understanding the challenge or opportunity, you're missing the challenge and the opportunity. And if you go after the challenge and opportunity, not knowing about the technology, then you don't have necessarily the opportunity to leverage the technology to solve that problem. So it kind of becomes a circle that you're dealing with. And what you just pointed out was that, hey, we had an idea, but we didn't know exactly what we wanted to do. We implemented, and then now we're understanding better what we can do, and we can enhance that further, and we can grow it and make it better. But you boiled it down by saying that we want to have brand awareness and a community. All right. And so I like that. All right. I like that. That's really good.